guys, today I got a book that I really want to share with you guys. Again, this is 100 ways. But what 100 ways is this? Well, I have many books about 100 ways that the last time I shared with you guys. It's a really long time ago. Like for example, 100 ways to do before you grow up, or 100 ways to do when you grow up. And this time I think it's the most wonderful book ever. 100 ways to make the world better, make the world a better place. 100 ways to make the world better. So I think this book is really useful. And if you have this, you could be a really better person. And also, this book is also available in Tiki, but I rent this book. I use my fake dollars to rent this book at my center. So that means I get it for free, just fake dollars. It's not real. That means I got this for free. So here, 100 ways to make the world better. And today we will discover one thing about in this book. It's the thing 57, learning about climate change. So do you still remember the video? I did a presentation about climate change. Well, if you haven't watched it, go watch it right now. And if you watch it, then you should watch today's video. Learn about climate change. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful woman that knows almost everything about climate change. So this book is really interesting. It tells you what to do. And if almost everyone in the world have this book, the world will be an amazing place. And the people's really friendly with each other, never argue. So let's get started about this video. I will introduce you to this woman, which name is Catherine Hayhoe. Here is this woman, Catherine Hayhoe, and I will read about the thing that she know of her information. So, Catherine Hayhoe is an atmospheric scientist. Aha! So she definitely know everything about climate change. That means she studied what happens in the atmosphere, including weather and climate. A big part of her work is investigating how humans impact on the atmosphere through global warming or climate change affects our lives and the place where we live. So, understanding climate change and what you can do about it is a really powerful way you can have an impact and make the world a better place. Catherine hosts a series of videos online called Global Weirding, in which she answers some of the tough questions people often ask about climate change. So I think after this video, I'm going to watch that series right now so that I can know more about climate change, some types of climate change. And this series is called Global Weirding, and I think you should watch it too. It can help you improve your English and know a lot more about climate change. So here are her answers to a few of the big ones, like about her answers that the series asked her. For example, what keeps our planet warm? So that her answer is really clear. We know everything. The first question is, I just said it. What keeps our planet warm? And here's her answer. Our planet has a natural blanket built into the atmosphere. This blanket is made up of heat-trapping gases like carbon dioxide and methane and water vapor. The sun shines down and a great deal of the sun's energy goes through that invisible blanket to the earth. The earth heats up and gives up heat energy, but just like a blanket traps our body heat on a cold night, this natural blanket traps the earth's heat, keeping us almost 33 degrees Celsius warmer than we would be otherwise. If it weren't for this amazing natural blanket, our planet would be a frozen ball of ice. So here is what they mean. You can look by this picture. Here's the picture. They said that here, if it wasn't for this natural blanket, our planet would be a big frozen ball. So here, can you see that the blanket over here protect the earth? So if it wasn't for this, our earth will be really, really cold, and there's snow everywhere, and sometimes we could die of cold. And question number 2 is, so how do humans make the earth warmer? Even though the original blanket is 100% natural, human activities are making it thicker by digging coal and oil and natural gas out of the ground and burning it. We are pumping massive extra amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, carbon, that we could otherwise stay buried in the ground for millions of years. All this extra carbon dioxide makes the blanket thicker. And what does a thicker blanket do? It traps more heat. So our planet will be warmer, 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 and warmer. So that's the end. 2 questions that we learned a lot of things, right? From this amazing woman, Catherine Hayhoe. So I hope you liked today's video and learn a lot in this book too. There will be more amazing videos so that I can do about it in this book. We will also learn a lot of knowledge. So if you want to buy this book, remember, this book also available in Tiki, so you can buy it. Bye. See you next time.